What's up everybody, back with another video. Today we have headphones with radical sound comfort by Earebel. These are headphones with a, well, I guess it's a beanie with headphones on the side. It's Bluetooth. It's got a microphone so you can answer phone calls. Soft 3-button control unit, LED control lights, microphone, or micro USB charger socket. Got these for $10 on sale. They're regularly $50. Yes, let's get right into it and open it up here. Before that, it says radically new comfortable headphone system, perfect fit, perfect sound with every movement, brilliant bass heavy sound, hands-free phone calls or music. All right. Alright, another struggle video of me trying to get these tapes off. There's one, there's two, there's three. Maybe three, that should be good. Comes with some nice packaging here. It's got the Beanie, Earebel. Nice big beanie for my big head. And these must be the actual earphones. And some styrofoam type stuff. Packaged very nicely. They're Bluetooth, but they're connected together through a wire. Boulder, Colorado, USA. It's got the micro USB charger on one of the sides there. We also have the charge cable. It's like some backup fluffs, just in case the ones on the earphones don't work out, I suppose. And we have important instructions and the instruction manual. Let's get all the stuff in here. Wow, look how stylish these guys are, and girls. Setting up the headphones. Place the headphones with the Earebel logo on the right side and with the E logo on the left side. This here on the right side, this here on the left. Okay. So I'm going to place it inside here. Do the loop-de-loop and pull. Right side, check. It's got little grooves that kind of just fit into the seam of the hat. I'm just not very good at doing that, I guess. Hence the struggle. Come on, Bobby. There we go. Cool. So it should look like so. Earebel on the right side and the E on the left. You don't want to have the phones showing, so it's got to be inside. Well, I'm actually okay with it looking like that. It's, yeah, I don't think it's really going to do any change pushing it in. So, this is going to be a correct example here. We're going to hold this for 5 seconds. then it will start the pair option. And now we are going to connect our Bluetooth device to the Earebel. I'm not sure how they would like this device to be called. So Bluetooth, Earebel speaker. It's thinking, and it's connected. We have success. Okay. And now we will test it. Let me find some tunes and we'll be right back. Copyright-free music, royalty-free music. Let's not advertise any channels here, but let's also not get this channel taken down for a song that we essentially shouldn't be playing. Okay, so let's just play something here. And I'm going to try this on, see how it looks. Okay. It's got a halfway volume. This thing is loud. It's actually pretty nice. So yeah, I would say this is definitely worth $10. 100% acrylic, it's very comfortable in the head. The sound, the bass is surprisingly well considering they're over-the-ear earphones. The only thing that I didn't really care for was that it's hand wash only. If you're planning on running, which I thought I would be doing with these, you know, you're gonna be sweating a lot, and that could be a potential issue. But hand wash, meh, whatever. For $10, I really couldn't go wrong with this. I would highly recommend these for anyone looking for, you know, a hat, earphone. Really good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.